Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in Excel. To truly master this powerful tool, begin by familiarizing yourself with its layout and fundamental navigation. Next, focus on understanding core formulas such as SUM, average, and count, which are crucial for basic data analysis. Finally, consistently practice accurate data entry and apply clear formatting to ensure your spreadsheets are always easy to read and interpret. To elevate your Excel skills, dive into powerful functions like VLOOKUP or XLOOKUP for quick data retrieval across sheets. Conditional formatting is another game changer, allowing you to visually highlight important data points based on specific criteria. Don't forget the incredible utility of pivot tables. They transform raw data into insightful summaries, helping you spot trends and make informed decisions effortlessly. Adopting best practices is key to excelling. Always organize your data with clear, descriptive headers and maintain consistent data types within columns. This structure makes your spreadsheets much easier to manage and analyze. Furthermore, mastering common keyboard shortcuts can significantly boost your productivity, saving you valuable time on repetitive tasks. And remember, always save your work frequently to avoid losing any progress. For advanced mastery, explore automating repetitive tasks with simple macros or even basic VBA scripting. This can save countless hours. Next, learn to build interactive dashboards using charts and slicers, transforming complex data into engaging, easy-to-understand visuals. These skills will truly set you apart. Also, for those looking for comfort and durability, check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.